In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a WooCommerce website. Let's get started by diving into your WordPress dashboard, which is like the control room for all your website activities. Once you're there, head over to the Plugins section on the left-hand menu and click on Add New. What we're doing here is essentially adding new tools to your website toolbox. Next, we need to search for WooCommerce in the search bar. WooCommerce is a powerful tool that turns your WordPress site into a fully functioning online store. Once you've found it, you'll see an Install Now button. Go ahead and click that. After a few moments, the button will change to say Activate. Click on this as well to bring WooCommerce to life on your site. Now that you've activated WooCommerce, you'll be prompted to follow the WooCommerce Setup Wizard. This wizard is an essential guide that walks you through configuring fundamental aspects of your store. Start with your store details. This includes your address and any pertinent information about your business location. Next, you'll set your currency, which is crucial for displaying prices correctly to your customers. The wizard will then lead you through setting up shipping and tax options, which could vary depending on your business needs and location. This is also where you'll decide on the payment methods your store will accept, such as PayPal or cash on delivery. This handy tool ensures you won't overlook important settings that could affect your store's operations. Upon finishing the setup, it's time to focus on aesthetics. A well-designed theme can make all the difference for user experience. You'll want to go to the Appearance section in your dashboard and then click on Themes followed by Add New. Here, you'll find thousands of themes, but for a WooCommerce store, certain themes work exceptionally well. I recommend considering options like Astra, Blocksy, or GeneratePress because they are optimized for fast performance and are well integrated with WooCommerce. Once you've made a choice, simply click Install and then Activate. With the theme in place, it's time to populate your store by adding products. Navigate to the Products section in your dashboard and click on Add New. Here you'll enter the product title. Think of this as the name of your listing. Below that, add the price and upload a high-quality image that clearly represents the product. Remember, images are a big factor in online sales, as they give customers a sense of the item you're selling. Don't forget to craft a compelling description that not only describes the product's features, but also persuades potential customers of its value. When you're satisfied with everything, all you need to do is hit Publish, and voila, your product is live. And there you have it, a WooCommerce website ready to be shared with the world. By following these steps, you've set the groundwork for a functional and appealing online store. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!